MacVoices is supported by Smile, the makers of world-class software like Text Expander. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. MacVoices is at ShowStoppers at NAB in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Andreas of Make TV. He's going to tell us what Make TV brings to video production. Andreas, good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you, Chuck.
So tell me about Make TV.
So Make TV, it's a live video cloud. That's our product. Live video cloud enables our customers to acquire content, live video content, from a multitude of sources and from anybody at the right time at the right location. And our platform is designed to scale up production capacity really on demand. That means for news, our customers are ingesting mobile live feeds from different locations, different user groups, sometimes just the right user at the right location, sometimes a professional cameraman, into our live video cloud. And from there, they are curating, also filtering, curating, and then selecting the best out of the mess and using the selected feeds in their local production environment. Of course, on the output side, our customers are also able to stream directly to social media platforms. But the main use case is really to use the cloud as the gateway and the aggregator for available live sources and to make them available for their professional productions.
Okay, so I think I've got it. So if we have, let's say, 10 people here at ShowStoppers providing you streaming video, then you act as the middle person, and then I, as a producer, can select from those 10 based on your product.
Right, totally right. And if you have, for example, during big sport events, MLB is using us during their big sport events, and they are providing then an open stream tag or link, and everybody available in that geolocation is technically available to contribute a live stream to that production, and operators are then able to monitor, see, curate, and select the feeds they want to use within their professional environments. And these feeds are then routed directly to the TriCaster, EVS, other local production environments, or as mentioned, directly to social media platforms.
Now, I can see some challenges here for you, because if we have 10 cameras streaming here at ShowStoppers, the bandwidth can be an issue. So do you just have to take what you can get, or do you have any special sauce that improves the reception?
There's super great vendors in the space of bonding technology, and our USP is to be super open. That means that customers who are using LiveView or TVU, Digero, so vendors who are really specified to solve that problem, they can use exactly these feeds to ingest in our solution. And they are also able to combine different vendors or different devices with mobile phone, and also with contributed feeds from Reuters or AP. So we are not solving the bandwidth issue, but we are dealing with all provided solutions in that space.
Now you're running here, showing it. You're running it on a MacBook Pro in Safari, in a browser, and that's really another intriguing part. No specialized software?
No, it's pretty much a control room, a master control room, accessible during the web browser. I mean, behind that, there are 70 data centers worldwide. We are running on Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud, dealing with all these tasks. So the software is running in the cloud, and the browser is just acting as a controller. So, for example, if you have contributors in Manila, we are taking care that the signal is captured and ingested close by to the contributor, and that we can then take care of a stable signal flow from that data center to wherever the feed should be used. And this is the biggest challenge, because internet is a network within networks, so otherwise you have to deal with peerings and then package loss, and that's not good for quality and for scalability. So, and that's what we are solving.
What about the pricing here for this in this situation? I mean, obviously you're talking about MLB. Those are pretty big budgets, but how far down can someone take this, say, to a local sports team or something like that, where they wanted to use your product?
It's the beauty of the cloud, right? I mean, you pay based on your usage and based on inputs, amount of inputs and amount of outputs. So our biggest customers out of the esport world, and they have all the time 70 engines worldwide up and running. They're providing 20 linear live channels all the time, and on top of that are talk events. They are paying about 30,000-40,000 per month. We have also customers who are using us just on demand, event-based, 4 hours a week. And they are paying about $700 per month. So in average, I would say the sweet spot right now for us is a customer who's bringing a volume on the table in between $3,000 and $5,000 per month. That we are also able to provide really professional 24/7 support for the customer. But on the long run, there's no limit. You can use it on an hourly base, and you are able to start with a few $100. And if you want to use it all the time as your master control room, of course, you have to pay depending on the amount.
Yeah, you're right. It is the beauty of the cloud. It completely scales, so it can do whatever you need it to do.
And our pricing supports that, of course. Otherwise, we would not use the biggest benefit of the cloud.
What's the website where folks can go to learn more and maybe check it out for themselves if they want to?
Oh, of course. On our website, on make.tv, you can find, of course, more about our product. We're always happy to make remote presentations for our customers. And then, obviously, we are handing out demo accounts and trial accounts and support our customers during the first POCs before he really starts to commit big volumes to us.
Andreas, thank you very much. Good to see you.
Yeah, great. Thanks, Chuck.
Folks, we'll be back with more from ShowStoppers and NAB. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.